Hello everyone, this is for your lesson 31 homeworks guide, and I will help you to solve one problem, and you need to do the rest of the questions by yourself. So first of all, don't forget to put your name on the worksheet. So for me, I will put, this is my first name, this is my English first name, and now we will start. The question says, Melissa had 56 pens and 33 more pencils than pens. So there are two things in this question. We have pens and let's choose another color. We have pens and pencils. How many pens do we have? We have 56. Let's draw 56. How many pencils we have? But it doesn't say it here. It only says and 37 more pencils than pens. But we can know that pencils, if pencils are 37 more than pens, the number will be larger or smaller than 56. If it's more, it will definitely be a larger number, right? So the line, I would think, well, it must be more. But how much is it? It's 37 more than we use adding. More than the pencils, which is, more than the pens, which is 56. And now I'm going to solve it. So 37 plus, I'm going to use the vertical form. So I put 37 plus 56. And I always start from the right side, right? We have 7 and 6. That makes a 13. But don't forget, every time, my friends, don't forget to put the 13th tens, little one, on the top of the tens. That's how we all add everything together without missing one. And then we go to the tens place. We have 1, 3 groups of tens, and 5 groups of tens, making 1 plus 3 plus 5, making 9. So in the end, I will write Melissa, I will put the answer here, equals 93. And I will write Melissa has 93 pencils. Okay? So you need to give me the formula and the full sentence of the response. Now we move to the next question. How many pens and pencils did Melissa have? Oh, it's asking about the pens and pencils one more time. But this time we already know the numbers for both objects, right? For pens, how many do we have? For pens, we have 56. For pencils, how many do we have? We just calculated it. Look at on the right side. It's 93. Now it's asking how many pens and pencils did she have? We're putting everything together. And are we adding them up? Yes. So we will do 56 plus 93 equals 6 plus 3 is 9. 50 plus 90 is 140. 149. That's how I get my answer. And I should write Melissa has 149 pens and pencils. Period. Okay. And for number 2, I can help you to list the formula, but you need to calculate the answer by yourself, okay? Let's read the question together. Antonio gave 27 tomatoes to his neighbor and 15 to his brother. He had 72 tomatoes before giving some away. How many tomatoes does Antonio have left? Okay, I know it looks a little bit long, but let's read them one more time to get more information. We need to write the information down. He gave 27 tomatoes to his neighbor and 15 to his brother. So Antonio, we don't know how much he has. So let's put it all here. So he gave 27 to the neighbors. And how many else? He gave away 15. Sorry, let me write it one more time. 15 to his brother. And then after that, there are how many left? 72. So after taking these, there are 72 left. So that means if we could put all the 15 back, put all the 27 back, and we add on the 72, that will give us the total number of tomatoes he had. And it will make, so if we put back, because before we take away, but if we put back, that will be 15, that's before he gave to his brother. And we add back 27, that will give us the one before, initially, before the neighbor, like at the very first time, how many tomatoes Antonio has. So we just calculate 72 plus 15 plus 27. And you can do the vertical form, 72 plus 15 plus 27. Again, we do the right side, 2 plus 5 plus 7 equals 14, and don't forget the little one. And you add all the tens up by yourself, okay? And in the end, you need to tell me Antonio has left blah 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 tomatoes. You need to write the sentence. And that's it. Or here's another way you can think of this question. Okay, so Antonio is here. Let me erase everything. Antonio begin with a number. Oh, actually, let me write it on the right side. This is Antonio's number. Before he gave 27 to the neighbor, and then he gave 15 more to the brother. But that was the time he knows he has 72 left. So how much does Antonio has in the beginning? We can go back. We add 15, right? And then we will go back how many? Before we take away 27, this time we will plus 27. That's why we can write the formula of 72 plus 15 plus 27. And you will calculate the answer. Okay, so for the next two questions. You need to do it by yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. And good luck with your homework.